Hi everyone! Today is the last day that Ada will become 2 years old. Tomorrow, birthday niya. How old are you tomorrow na? You should listen to Papa first. Stop man ni mo, oy. Labtan man ni mo, oy. Ito, go. Hi! Tomorrow, mag 3 years old na si Ada.
Damay, Papa. Where's video?
Hello.
My kipan, my mama, kipan.
Libre, papa lang din. Stop mo mo eh. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Tomorrow, Ada will become 3 years old.
Papa.
Today is the last day that Ada is
Bye-bye.
2 years old.
Bye-bye,
Tomorrow is 3 years old na si Ada because it's been, tomorrow 11,
Bye-bye.
2026.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hi everyone. Hi everyone.
Bye-bye, Papa said bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Flying kiss me. Say, I love you, Ada, 2 years old. I love you.
I love you, Papa.
I love you too. You're always my love. Bigyan na siya tomorrow. Mag-green na.
My Papa, no.
Oh.
My Papa, Damay yang Papa.
Oh, mamimiss ko tong Ada na 2 years old.
Damay Papa.
Green na din siya tomorrow.
Uy, hello, si Ada.
Hi, Ada. Papa and baby. Oo. Before mag 3 years old si baby Ada for tomorrow. Today is the last day na. 2 years old na siya. Careful, big, careful. No running ha. Kaya mag-go home na ta pag mag-grad. Tapos na siya sa slides. Okay, go. Go. Ada is done in at slides. Go. Ano, let's go home na. Let's go home. Standing. Slides, careful. No, jumping. Careful, Bing. Slowly. No. Careful, Sina. Go. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Slowly lang, Beng. Dito. Sa kabila.